At Orthopaws, we know all about the special bond between dogs and their families. Because we too are pet owners. That's why we're committed to helping people help their dogs live their life to the fullest. If your dog is living with a CCL injury, osteoarthritis, or any other kind of knee injury, we will help him get back to walking and playing comfortably again. We manufacture custom leg braces and prosthetics for dogs. All our braces are made specifically for the individual dog's need, providing the most comfortable, safest fit possible. And you have a choice of 120 colors and designs. Our Orthopaws canine bracing system, the only one in Canada with worldwide reach, is the perfect solution for senior dogs who are not surgical candidates or those whose owners might not be able to afford expensive surgery. Most importantly, we also brace the dog's injured leg post-surgery in order to prevent injury to the healthy leg. Our mission is to help dogs get their mobility back. That's why we're happy to ship our Orthopaws canine bracing system anywhere in the world. And with 10% of all Orthopaws sales supporting local dog rescue programs, we can do a lot of good together. Visit us at orthopaws.ca to order your brace today.